faster, and stronger. Wainlux L3 has all the functions you desire for engraving. We adopted the most advanced technology to date. Industrial-grade metal guide rails maximize the printing accuracy. The speed of 10-watt semiconductor lasers is 10 times higher than before. Experience the unprecedented fast laser cutting and engraving, accurate to the width of a human hair. You can easily engrave and assemble outstanding objects. Use mobile phone, Mac, and PC to drag the design into the desired place. Preview in the high-speed printing area to determine the printing position easily. The 10-watt semiconductor laser with LD plus FAC spot compression technology means that you can print on any materials. It can cut 5mm wood easily and quickly, satisfy large area printing needs or batch printing. Wainlux L3 USP can cut holes with exceptionally high precision. It is like tightening leather with a shoelace. Black and white printing and cutting to create 3D images for your materials and engineering drawings. Large printing area, 19 by 21 square centimeters. The repeat printing position memory function helps you make dozens of copies quickly and easily. Wainlux L3 has a laser displacement sensor for distance measurement, which can follow the curved surface to automatically focus. Use the expansion roller to rotate 360 degrees to engrave cylinders and spheres. You can turn daily necessities into a unique gift or a thriving business. You can become an artist, pastry chef, costume designer, or architect. Wainlux L3 is an easy-to-use and safe tool that anyone can use. This is by far the best high-speed multifunction intelligent laser engraving machine. We listen to your suggestions and improve the design. Bring you the best upgrade of Wainlux L3 laser engraving machine. Support us and be the first one to enjoy Wainlux L3.